Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for May 23rd, 2017. For your Tuesday, we're going to have, call it mostly cloudy or cloudy across the region. The southern areas will be cloudy, mostly cloudy in the middle, and at least partly cloudy to start before clouds start increasing during the afternoon further to the north. We'll have an opportunity for a few showers that will come in the middle of the day, but most of this area of rain that is in association with low pressure offshore will stay that way. We were going to be watching areas to the farther southeast across Delaware and South Jersey for a little bit of rain coming from this, mainly in the overnight hours. I'm going to move this a little bit forward from this point. This is looking at Tuesday morning. Here's Tuesday afternoon. Again, you can see where that low pressure is just near the Delmarva, but it's only bringing rain showers to the far southeastern areas. May get a few isolated showers up toward our central areas today, but that's going to be about the extent of it as this area of low pressure consolidates offshore. You have another one trailing behind it, but that will also consolidate with the main low and move offshore by the time we get into the overnight hours tonight. We have another area of low pressure that's going to be hanging back to the west that we'll be dealing with Wednesday night and Thursday. But first, let's get to this one today. Just want to show you this isolated shower chance. This is 8 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, and we're going to move this forward from this, and you can see this is just a composite radar, so this is going to pick up on every single little bit of radar reflectivity, so this might not be as ominous as this looks, or the coverage of rain might not be this far north, but I do think you remain cloudy in these areas, maybe after a few peaks of sun early on up north here, but that's about it. And then you're seeing the concentration of these showers mainly across Delaware and South Jersey, but a few of them may get northwest of I-95. So I-95 is going to be your dividing line again, it looks like, but a few showers will sneak up probably from about mid-morning through mid-afternoon will be the time frame for these areas to see some showers here, but everywhere southeast of 95 would have the concentration of those showers again. Nothing like it was yesterday, so we're not going to be dealing with heavy rain like we were yesterday, but we will have some shower opportunities as that low pressure moves off to the northeast. And then once we get toward the evening, the interior is dry. The Phillies game down here is also dry, so we should be okay and good to go as far as the weather is concerned for those areas. But again, close to the shore points and down in Delaware, we'll be watching for this graze as this system moves by here, and you can see that here by the time we get to Tuesday evening. That's the time we'll be looking for that for those rain showers to move through. Just light showers today, more of a nuisance than anything else, except if you're further southeast. As we get into Wednesday, we're going back to partly to mostly cloudy skies. I'll get back to that image here. This next system's getting ready to go through the eastern Great Lakes and head up into southeastern Canada, but Wednesday will be a dry day now. It looks like from start to finish. Might have a mostly cloudy start, and clouds will break for sun in the afternoon. We're expecting a very nice day, actually, here on the Wednesday. Partly sunny skies in the afternoon across the entire region, and then we have clouds that are going to increase at night. And that's going to be some rain showers moving in the pre-dawn hours. Somewhere well after midnight, it looks like more rain moves through. And these showers will continue again into Thursday morning and linger a little bit into Thursday afternoon as well. But then we'll start to have some improvement as we head toward the evening. So looks like it's just going to be primarily a Wednesday night and Thursday deal, and just some typical showers like we had, but this is going to be a little bit more favoring the interior this time as opposed to the shore. So kind of backwards of what we've had for the last two systems. And then Friday we dry out, and it looks like we return to partly cloudy skies, called partly to mostly cloudy here on Friday. And then partly cloudy here on Saturday. Saturday's actually going to be the pick of the holiday weekend right now. It looks like partly cloudy skies here for the entire region on Saturday with not a chance of rain. We have a system that's off to our southwest that right now is projected to stay primarily to the south. This is, look at Saturday evening. This is Saturday night overnight. You see where it went, right down here just south of D.C. at this point, the center of low pressure, but it's also keeping the precipitation mainly south of the Mason-Dixon line for the most part. We do have a few showers that could sneak up here in the overnight hours Saturday night, and maybe an isolated shower possibility here on Sunday, but Sunday does not look too bad either as this low moves away. Will be mostly cloudy though, so not a lot of sun here on Sunday, but it doesn't look like we're going to be in a deluge of rain like it looked like yesterday. This is a constantly changing thing where it keeps going back and forth, and can't figure out the weekend. The models are trying to sort it out, hopefully, and we get a better idea as we get a little bit closer. But here it looks like as we get into Sunday night, here's another wave coming through with the system again moving through the eastern Great Lakes, has some rain with it along a frontal boundary, and that moves through in the overnight hours Sunday night. The question is, does it linger into Memorial Day Monday? This model in particular seems to think so. They could have some scattered showers around on Monday, but again, this has been constantly changing and evolving, so it's going to change a couple times heading into the weekend. Right now, we're going to list just kind of lower chances of probabilities of precipitation on both Sunday and Monday, just in case. But the timing of that still has to be worked out, and the extent of those showers will still have to be worked out as we head into the next couple of days. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for May 23rd, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.